JTEC's commercial truck driving program is designed to give students an edge by teaching more than just driving techniques, critical safety fundamentals, and the other skills necessary to prepare for the Class A commercial driver's license examination. As a JTEC commercial truck driving student, you'll master the practical skills that prepare you for the realities of the workplace. Important skills like how to master the online application process, how to create an effective resume, successful interview techniques, and for qualified graduates seeking a CDL license. JTEC offers third-party testing services, making your transition to over-the-road status a smooth one.